Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer iPhone backup to a new iPhone using iTunes on Windows. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your Windows computer. Connect your old iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes on your computer. If prompted, unlock your iPhone and allow the computer to access it. In iTunes, click on the device icon that appears in the upper left corner of the window. Select Summary from the left sidebar. Find the option that says Backup Now and click it to create a backup of your old iPhone. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once the backup is finished, safely disconnect your old iPhone from the computer. Now, connect your new iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Turn on your new iPhone and begin the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from Mac or PC. In iTunes, your new iPhone should appear on the device icon. Click on the device icon to access the new iPhone summary page. Select the Restore Backup option. From the list of backups, choose the most recent backup of your old iPhone. Click on Restore to start transferring the data to your new iPhone. If prompted, enter your Apple ID and password to access your account. Wait for the restoration process to finish. Once completed, your new iPhone will restart. After the restart, continue setting up your iPhone as needed. You can now reconnect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and wait for any remaining data to sync. Your new iPhone is now ready to use with all your data transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.